want to uh, print this string as it is without translating this escape sequence, you can use the character R, not like x is equal to R. Now whatever you will write here, it will be not be translated by this escape sequence slashes. It will be printed as it is. Like I write here now as name slash file slash name. Now I print X. It has been printed as it is was declared here without any translation. And there are some other interesting features of strings in Python, like x is equal to, I write here some string I can repeat this I as many times as I want. Like if I write here multiply by 4, it will be written 4 times, plus I write something else I am. So this is a separate string and this is a separate string, and this plus sign actually concatenate these two strings, and the output will be I 4 times, I and M. So let's see what it prints. So it is I M. So this is how we can repeat a given string into desired number of times. Similarly, if you want to write strings in multiple lines, you have a syntax for that as well. Like x is a string. If I write it like first line, then I press enter, it gives error. But if you want to write strings in multiple lines, you can use this syntax as equal to triple quote, first line, I press enter, no error, second line, third line, now I press write triple quote. So now this is a single string which will be assigned to this word, this variable x, and now I print the x, it will print these 3 lines. And in addition to that, in Python the indexing system is same as in other languages. The indexing of the string starts with 0, and the index of the last character is one less than the size of the whole string. Like if x is a string with the content Python, p is at the index 0, y1, t2, 3, 4, 5. So the length of this string is 6, but the index of the last character is 5. So if I write here as print x0, it will print p, and if I write here as print x5, it will write n. Similarly, we can also use the built-in function len to compute the length of the string. I write len of x, it is 6, and it has 6 characters. And Python also has another interesting feature to index the to use indexing from the back side, from this side. So the minus indexing starts with -1, -2, -3, so on. So if I write -1, n will be printed. Sorry, I write this way, -1, so n is printed. And if I write -6, the first character, that is p, will be printed as the minus indexing starts with 1, so the last character will be equal to the size of the string, that is 6. And similarly, if I write -0, 0, -0 and 0 are and -x are the same in this case. Again the output will be p. And in addition to that, in Python, the slicing or the substring, to find the substring of a string is also very easy. For slicing we use colon, like I say print x 5. It means we want to print the substring from this string which starts at index 2. So this 2 is included, but this 5 is not included, so this substring will include the index 2, 3 and 4. So index 2 is included, but index 5 is not included. So it will print THO. And if I write it this way, I omit the last boundary, it will print from index 2 till end. So the whole word from index 2 till end will be printed. And if I omit the first boundary and write here 5, it will start from 0 index, but it will end at 4 because the last boundary is not inclusive, so it will be Python. And if I write it this way, the whole string will be included this way. Another important thing or a point you might note is that if I write Python, I start at something 0 and end at index 3, and then I concatenate the string with another substring which start at 3 and goes till end. So now I am concatenating these two strings, these two substrings of the same string, ending at 3 and starting at 3. So here 3 is not included because it is upper boundary, and here 3 is included because it is the lower boundary. So the sum of these two strings will be the original string. It is starting from 0 and it is ending at the last character. So the output will be the whole string. So this way you can print the whole string if the upper boundary of previous substring is equal to the lower boundary of the other substring. Similarly, if I write here like 4 here and 4 here, again the answer will be whole string. So this is a brief review of string manipulation in Python. For next lectures, please stay tuned.